Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity, where there is a frog in here with me in my throat. I hope I'm not coming down with something, but I'm a little raspy, and I'm a little tired, which is why I didn't get anything up on Monday. Like I said, I would do daily videos till Thanksgiving. This is actually Monday night, but it probably won't go up till early Tuesday morning. Thanksgiving is on Thursday the 24th, I think. I'll double check and make sure. Anyway, a few more days left. This is one of the very low number of ways that I will eat sweet potato for dinner. That is if you mash it and swirl it around with regular potato. This actually happens to be Yukon Gold, mashed Yukon Gold potatoes, which I mashed with butter and soy milk, seasoned with salt and pepper, and the sweet potato gets mashed with butter and soy milk, but it also has, I think, per fairly large sweet potato, which I didn't put the whole mash. I put about half of the mash on this plate. There's a whole head of roasted garlic in there, and it's very mild when you roast it, when you slow roast it. I will have the instructions on my blog, but basically you wrap it in tin foil, you wrap the whole head in tin foil and roast it for about 45 minutes at 350 degrees, and it becomes like a paste, and it loses its sharpness. It becomes very rich and sweet and mild. And you need a whole head per sweet potato, I think. There's also some smoked paprika in the sweet potato, and I put something else in there, and I've totally forgotten what it is, but I will remember it by the time I write down the recipe. I didn't make it with gravy because I wanted you to see the different colored swirls in it, but I did put some melted butter in my little volcano. Oh yeah. A little bit of garlic powder along with the roasted garlic in the sweet potato for flavor layering. And I like it. The white potato cuts the sweetness of the sweet potato. And the slight smokiness and the garlic go really well with the sweet potato. If you like sweet potato, you can just have that and not bother to swirl it. I like swirling it though for the holiday. So the recipe will be on my blog. I will link to it in the description. I will link to the previous video. Thank you, as always, for watching, commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing. Regular uploads, Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday, which I will be getting back to this Sunday after Thanksgiving. Regular community tab posts Monday and Friday. Occasional shorts and miscellaneous topics on Wednesdays. Occasional cat videos on Saturdays. Thank you for watching till the end. I'm going to have one more spoonful for the road. Look at that melted butter in there. Even though it's swirled together, when it's in your mouth, you can taste the different flavors. It's not all mushed together into one sweet, sweet potato mush. See you later, guys.